Hi, Cindy here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun little dance costume. Here's the pieces of the top and the skirt. It's a simple circle skirt with some strips and the band for the waist. So here's how we're going to gather it up. As I sew, I'm just going to take little pinches. Here's a quick example on a piece of fabric so you can see a little bit closer. And then we're going to fold that over and we'll top stitch that there when we're all done on the actual skirt. So it's really clean when you do it that way. So here I've gathered up on the skirt, so you can see it there, and then we'll finish that off. Now I'm doing the band. You want to sew down the center of the band, sewing it together. You're going to fold this over. You can make this as tall as you want. Make sure, and if the girl has a little bit smaller of a waist, make sure this is fitted nice on her, because this is what's going to hold up the skirt. You're going to fold it in half, and then you are going to fold it in half hot dog style. And you want to make sure that it's nice and flat where it's folded, because if it's pulled across and off, the whole thing will be kind of lumpy and not lie flat. Let me show you a quick example. I'm going to pull it across so that you can see it. It'll do something like that, and you know that then it's not sewn flat. So you'll want to fix that before you put it on the skirt, or the whole thing will look a little funky. And once you have that, sew it down. I like to do that because it keeps it nice and in place, and then I sew it onto the skirt. Now for the top, we're going to put the back and front together along with the lining. We'll want to sew down the sides, and then make sure everything's sitting together nice and smooth. Do both sides. And then we'll sew the inside of the sleeve, because now we're going to need to put those pieces together, almost as if you're sewing a top where the top half has been cut off, kind of that 80s style, some of the tops that kind of went off the shoulder. So sew both of these on. Now we're going to sew the band. This band fits the girl's arm, but the sleeve is much wider. And so once we sew, do the same thing like you did in the waistband and get that nice and flat. And then when you put it into the bottom of the sleeve, you're really going to need to stretch it and keep it even all the way around, even amount of stretch, because then you'll just have little gathers to make the sleeve slightly puffy when it goes on the girl. So we'll go ahead and sew it all the way on. Make sure it's all stretched and flat. Now, pro tip is before you move on to the next sleeve, always check, make sure it looks the way you want before you keep going. And then go ahead and do the other side. We'll do the same thing. Now, we are going to do the same thing on the bottom of the top. We don't want gathers, so I have it just slightly smaller so that the top stays down. You don't want it too loose, so definitely you can take a pause, try it on the girl before you sew everything down, and make sure it's all even and just no big gathers or anything like that. Now that we have all of that and we're sure it looks the way we want, what we're going to do next is just kind of check all the seams. Now we're going to add in the ties that I made. Really simple. We'll put them into place. I have these right at the seam because you need to have enough space for the gathers in the costume. See how there's right there, just perfect. And then now I want to sew the elastic, because you want to make sure that it's snug to the girl's body when she's dancing, even though you have the ties holding it up. Make sure that's nice and even going all the way around the top. Once you're done with that, you'll top stitch it. You can use a cover stitch, or you can use a zigzag if that's what you have on your machine, but just go real slow. Now I'm going to use a cover stitch and just top stitch down that ruffle so it doesn't flip. You don't have to do this, but I just like this extra step. And then we are mirroring the edge of the ruffle. You don't have to do that. You can just cut it. And then the last touch is we're going to gather up the front bust, make sure it's nice and center. I like to use a piece of elastic so it stops it from, when the girl's putting it on and off, from snapping at the gather. And once you're done, there we go. There is the finished gather, and here's the outfit. My mannequin only has one arm. Sorry about that. And then here it is on the model, the finished look. It's really easy to do, and if you want to see more like this, follow us on all social media at Sew with Cindy.